Have you ever felt a sharp or burning pain in your stomach, especially when you're hungry or stressed? That pain might not just be simple indigestion. It could be a sign of a stomach ulcer, also known as a peptic ulcer. A stomach ulcer is a sore that forms on the lining of your stomach or the upper part of your small intestine. Normally, a thick layer of mucus protects your stomach from digestive acids. But when this layer weakens, acid can eat through the lining, creating an open sore that causes pain and discomfort. Let's break down the main causes, symptoms, and prevention tips, and explore how stress also plays a surprising role. What causes stomach ulcers? For many years, doctors believed stress and spicy food were the main causes. But science later discovered that most ulcers are caused by a bacteria called Helicobacter pylori, or simply H. pylori. This bacteria lives in the stomach lining and can weaken its protective mucus. As a result, acid begins damaging the tissue underneath. Another major cause is the overuse of painkillers, especially NSAID, like ibuprofen, aspirin, or naproxen. These medicines can irritate the stomach lining and reduce its ability to protect itself. Yet even though H. pylori and painkillers are the main culprits, stress still plays an important role, especially in how fast ulcers develop and how long they take to heal. How stress affects the stomach. Stress doesn't directly create an ulcer, but it makes your stomach more vulnerable. When you're under pressure, your body releases hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. These increase stomach acid production and reduce blood flow to the digestive system. Over time, this slows down healing and makes existing ulcers worse. Research shows that chronic stress, such as from work, family problems, or lack of sleep, can double the risk of developing gastrointestinal problems. In fact, during wars and disasters, doctors noticed a rise in ulcer cases. This connection between stress and stomach ulcers is now well established. So while stress might not be the initial cause, it's often the trigger that turns a small irritation into a painful ulcer. Common symptoms to watch for ulcers can develop slowly, and their symptoms can vary. But here are some common signs. Burning or sharp stomach pain, usually between meals or at night. Bloating or feeling full quickly. Heartburn or acid reflux, nausea or vomiting. Dark stools, which can indicate bleeding. Weight loss without trying. If you experience these symptoms for more bacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Green tea may reduce bacterial growth and acid production. Garlic, small amounts, can fight H. pylori naturally. Cabbage juice. Studies show it promotes faster healing of ulcers. However, avoid eating too late at night or lying down right after meals. It increases acid reflux. When to seek medical help. Go to a doctor immediately if you experience vomiting blood black or tarry stools, sudden, severe abdominal pain. These can be signs of a bleeding or perforated ulcer, which is a medical emergency. Final thoughts. A stomach ulcer might sound frightening, but it's very treatable, especially when detected early. By managing stress, improve